My name is Manglin Pillay. I am the Chief Executive Officer of the South African Institution of Civil Engineering, and I would like to share with our members, civil engineers and technicians and technologists of South Africa, what the aspirations of the institution is for 2015.
My name is John Sheath. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of the Concrete Society of Southern Africa. Our main mission in life is to promote excellence in concrete.
I'm Vaughan Rimbold. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of the South African Institution of Mechanical Engineering, and it's great to have an opportunity to talk to you about our vision for 2015.
My name is Stan Bridgens. I'm a professional engineer and I am the CEO of the South African Institute of Electrical Engineers.
Concrete design and structure is broken down into various categories, which are civil engineering structure, building structure, innovation in concrete, architectural concrete. We also publish a quarterly journal. We do this in-house now, so it's very much under our control. It runs at 50 to 60 pages every quarter, and it contains everything concrete and concrete related, and I include cement in that because after all, where is concrete without the cement part of it? I think these are the main services that we offer, but I think the biggest advantage to basically any of our members is the networking opportunity. It's basically getting together with your colleagues, with your competitors sometimes, with the suppliers, with different disciplines from the industry, and discussing problems and issues of mutual interest. The Fulton Awards is just one of the ways in which we promote excellence in concrete. We run seminars, technical meetings on a regional basis, seminars normally on a national basis, and we like to sort of spread the knowledge in concrete. We are very fortunate to have a sponsorship from AfriSam, the well-known cement company, who are funding academic institutions to become academic institution members of the society. And that enables the university's staff and final year students and master students to be full members of the Concrete Society and enjoy all the benefits that come with it.
Our constitution dictates that we must serve the interests and needs of our members, that we must promote the art, science and the practice of mechanical engineering, and that we must maintain high standards in mechanical engineering. Our motto, which is by knowledge we advance, recognizes that the value of an institution like SAiMechi rests in the collective knowledge and experience of its members. Remaining at the top of the list of our objectives as an institution is the successful implementation of a candidate development program, which we've called the Professional Development Program, or PDP. And using this standard, which was published by the Engineering Council, we've developed a candidate program which specifically aims to measure and develop the skills that are written about and described in the competency standard. During 2015, we intend to continue our constructive engagement with the Engineering Council of South Africa. A strong engineering council supported by its voluntary associations is essential for us to collectively reach our objectives. This year we are also looking forward to another running of our successful BeltCon conference. SAiMechi is a founding partner of the BeltCon conference. And not only do we share in the benefits of the conference itself, but this is proving to be a real model for a combination of conference and exhibition.
Our vision for 2015 is a big one. We believe that this year is a game changer for South Africa. Through engineering, we can make a difference when one thinks of the National Development Plan and the role that engineers will be playing in this huge project. Bashing Eskom currently is not the solution. Consumers are going to have to come to the party. Eskom is going to have to come to the party. Government is going to have to come to the party for funding. And this expert team is going to look at all of this and try and assist Eskom to create space so that they can do A, the proper maintenance, B, the proper planning, and C, give some certainty to what is going to be the inevitable load shedding. The SAIE has put together an expert team that seeks to get a groundswell of opinions and solutions from the customer. I think we're suffering from some decisions that have been made in the past that we need to reverse and address. For the last 4 years, we have quadrupled our resources in effort, manpower and financial to address what we believe is the solution.
Civolution as a concept was to showcase the value that civil engineers, the civil engineering professionals bring to the economy. The first aspiration of Civolution is to restore the pride and the value of being a civil engineering practitioner. The second area of focus for Civolution is to raise the awareness of how we contribute and what value we add to society. It is crucial that the relationship between the public sector and civil engineers are closer, and that there is a trust that is rebuilt between the civil engineering profession and professionals and the public sector.
In 2015, we will still be working hard to maintain relationships with our tertiary institutions. At the moment, of our 13 council members, 5 of them are from tertiary institutions. So once again, we believe we're well on top of issues such as the recurriculation of various qualifications and also the issues that are facing tertiary institutions.
We would like to think that we could reach our younger engineers this coming year far more successfully than they have in the past. And we have a few initiatives coming up which we hope will attract the young engineers to our meetings, and to our events and to our functions.
Currently we have a large mentoring program for young engineers in the workplace, where we can make sure that they get the correct training and mentoring to become competent within 3 years or a little bit longer, to register as professional engineers with the Engineering Council of South Africa.
We want to encourage participation of our younger engineers to play an active role in the vision for a better South Africa, and SAice is adequately positioned. But we cannot do this without the verve, without the energy and without the creativity of our younger civil engineering practitioners.
We would like to encourage young members of SAice to join the Concrete Society. I'm sure you'll derive many benefits from this. So I do encourage you all to join us. It's very easy. Go onto our website at concretesociety.coza, go into membership, and you can join online.
We're hoping to play a lot more meaningful role in being able to perhaps present some of our mechanical engineering tertiary learning in a more online and accessible format.
Engineers make decisions that have an impact of 5 to 10 years and more, and without competency you can really have that impact working adversely against the progress of the country. The SAIE will be heavily involved in what we believe is the solution for producing competent engineers, and that is mentoring.
The first priority is on our graduate engineers, our young engineers, technicians and technologists, and this is related to professional registration and career path planning. The institution being the home body for engineers, civil engineering practitioners, is there to assist through our branches and our technical divisions, through courses and other CPD activity to help you with your career path, and that includes professional registration.
We look forward to having you as part of our concrete community.
So to everybody out there, students and fellow members, get involved this year. Look back at the end of this year and say, 2015 was the year that I got some real benefit out of my membership.
Being CEO, we feel confident that the SAIE has got a long way to go and much work to do. So watch this space.
We are here as SAice, the organization, to represent you. Please participate in the initiatives that we have planned for 2015.